Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card into your Meizu M6T. To do this operation, get the key in your hand, and on the left side here there is a little hole which we're gonna put this key and press it just like that, and we have a place for our SIM card which is gonna be here. And there is a place for the memory card which is gonna be here. Voila. And just simply insert it gently into your phone like this. And now just wait until the phone gonna be see the network and the memory card here. That's it. Yep, the SD card is here and the network is already there. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!